Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn about mutation, characteristics, types, functions, roles of mutations, importance of mutations, summary. What is a mutation? A mutation is a permanent change in the DNA sequence of an organism. It may affect a single nucleotide, an entire gene, or even whole chromosomes. Mutations can occur spontaneously due to errors during DNA replication or induced by external factors such as radiation, chemicals, or viruses. Not all mutations are harmful. Some have no effect, some are beneficial, and others may cause genetic diseases. Characteristics of mutations. Mutations are permanent changes in genetic material. They may occur naturally or be induced by environmental factors. Mutations can occur in both somatic cells and germ cells. Germline mutations can be inherited by offspring, while somatic mutations usually cannot. Mutations may alter protein structure, gene expression, or chromosome organization. Types of mutations. A. Gene mutations. Gene mutations involve changes in the DNA sequence of a single gene. Substitution. One nucleotide is replaced by another. Depending on the effect, substitutions can be silent, missense, or nonsense mutations. Insertion. One or more nucleotides are added to the DNA sequence. This may alter the reading frame if the number of inserted bases is not a multiple of 3. Deletion. One or more nucleotides are removed from the DNA sequence. Deletions can also cause frameshift mutations. Frameshift mutation occurs when insertions or deletions change the reading frame of the genetic code, often producing a non-functional protein. Chromosomal mutations. Chromosomal mutations involve large sections of chromosomes. These include deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation. Chromosomal abnormalities may also involve changes in chromosome number, such as trisomy or monosomy. Functions and roles of mutations. Although mutations are often associated with disease, they also play many essential roles in biology. Create genetic variation. Mutations introduce new genetic variations into populations, providing the raw material for evolution. Drive evolution. Natural selection acts on beneficial mutations, allowing organisms to adapt to changing environments over generations. Enable adaptation. Some mutations improve survival by increasing resistance to diseases, antibiotics, or environmental stress. Influence gene function. Mutations can change the activity of genes by increasing, decreasing, or eliminating protein production. Importance of mutations. Mutations are important because they generate genetic diversity among individuals, drive evolution through natural selection, help organisms adapt to environmental changes, contribute to the development of new species, explain the genetic basis of inherited disorders, help researchers identify disease-causing genes, play a key role in cancer biology, support biotechnology, agriculture, and genetic engineering, contribute to the development of gene therapy and personalized medicine. Despite their benefits, harmful mutations can cause diseases such as sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, Huntington's disease, and many forms of cancer. Summary. In summary, a mutation is a permanent change in the DNA sequence. Mutations may occur naturally or be caused by environmental factors. They are classified into gene mutations and chromosomal mutations. While some mutations are harmful and lead to genetic disorders, many are harmless or even beneficial. Most importantly, mutations create genetic diversity, drive evolution, and play a vital role in medicine, biotechnology, and modern biological research. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biology lessons.